Today, we're diving into the KEDIERS PC case, a gaming tower that's making waves in the PC building community. This sleek desktop case comes pre-installed with a whopping 9 addressable RGB fans, promising to elevate your gaming setup to a whole new level of aesthetic and performance. First off, let's talk compatibility. The KEDIERS PC case is designed to accommodate micro ATX motherboards, offering a compact yet powerful solution for your gaming rig. Its ATX mid-tower form factor strikes a perfect balance between spaciousness and desktop footprint, ensuring that you have enough room for all your components while still fitting comfortably on your desk. Now, onto the star of the show, those mesmerizing ARGB fans. Not only do they provide excellent airflow to keep your system running cool under pressure, but they also add a dazzling light show to your setup. With customizable lighting effects, you can personalize your gaming experience to match your mood or gaming aesthetic. Plus, the tempered glass side panel door gives you a clear view of your components, allowing you to showcase your hardware in style. In terms of build quality, the KEDIERS PC case doesn't disappoint. Constructed from durable tempered glass and sturdy materials, it feels robust and well-made, ensuring that your components stay protected during transport and everyday use. The white color option adds a touch of elegance to your setup, standing out among the sea of black cases on the market. When it comes to performance, this case delivers. The ample airflow provided by the 9 ARGB fans keeps your components running smoothly, even during intense gaming sessions. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the strategically placed routing channels and ample space behind the motherboard tray. Plus, the toolless design makes installation a cinch, allowing you to spend less time building and more time gaming. Overall, the KEDIERS PC case is a standout choice for gamers looking to take their setup to the next level. With its sleek design, impressive ARGB lighting, and excellent performance, it's hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a newbie looking to dip your toes into the world of custom rigs, this case has something to offer. So why wait? Elevate your gaming experience with the KEDIERS PC case today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.